welcome to an exploration of Johannes Vermeer's masterpiece Het Melkmeisje, or The Milkmaid, painted around 1660. This painting, measuring approximately 45 by 41 centimeters, is a brilliant example of Vermeer's skill in capturing domestic tranquility and the beauty of everyday life. In this work, Vermeer depicts a maidservant pouring milk into a container, standing in a simple kitchen bathed in soft, natural light. The light, streaming from a window on the left, illuminates the maid and the objects around her, creating a serene and intimate atmosphere. Vermeer's meticulous attention to detail is evident in the textures he achieves: the roughness of the bread, the smoothness of the milk, and the crisp folds of the maid's garments. The composition is carefully balanced, with the maid placed centrally, anchoring the viewer's attention. Vermeer uses a limited color palette dominated by yellows and blues, which adds to the painting's harmonious feel. Notably, the artist's use of light and shadow, known as chiaroscuro, enhances the three-dimensionality of the scene and gives the painting its lifelike quality. The Milkmaid is celebrated not only for its technical brilliance, but also for its evocative depiction of quiet diligence and domestic simplicity. Through this painting, Vermeer transforms an ordinary task into a moment of timeless beauty and grace. Thank you for joining us in appreciating this iconic work of Dutch Golden Age art. Thank you from our channel, Art Lectures. Please like and subscribe for more videos.